Whoa, I got some serious bedhead this morning. Good morning. Today is Friday. It's November 1st. Merry Christmas! Just kidding. I'm not one of those people. I like to pretend to be though. Today is the first day post Hell Week and I'm kind of interested and I wanted to add this to my weekly vlog. What's the day after Hell Week gonna be like? Are they gonna be just as hard? Am I gonna be like, oh, this is easy? So, I thought I would film before and then go to the gym, do the workout, and, you know, do the thing, and then come back and let you guys know. So, hey guys, I just got back from the gym. I went to the grocery store really quick to just like replenish stuff. I'm out of carrots and I'm out of cucumbers, and those are my nighttime crunchy snacks, so I need them. But today's workout, I want to say it was similar to the Hell Week workouts, honestly. It was pretty intense, and I feel like that's just how Orange Theory is. But, it was a good workout. Good morning. I am a mess. I just literally rolled out of bed. I'm going to the gym. And then, after the gym, I am going to go grocery shopping. So, that is the plan. I'm sore. I'm really sore. Yesterday I hit my benchmark for the rower, which is where you row 2,000 meters. It feels like 2,000 miles. You row 2,000 meters and then you put your time in the computer and they track it, and then later on you try and beat your time. So I did my benchmark yesterday, and then I also met a personal record for me, or a PR, of 7 miles per hour on my all out. So yesterday was hard on my body. I'm gonna try not to make it a green day, but it might end up being a green day for me over at the gym. We'll see. But I need to go grocery shopping, and Target's right there, and there is a weighted blanket I want to get, so I might get it. I don't know, we'll see. But I gotta go. Bye. Hey guys, I just got home. And after the gym went really well. Let me put you somewhere. Good. Okay. So today I tried to do my all out, but they threw in a twist and gave me an incline, and I was like, I can't do 7 miles an hour on an incline of any type, let alone 7 miles an hour and 7% incline. I tried it, I lasted like 15 seconds and I was like, nope. And I went down to 5. And 5 was okay, but I was like uncomfortable to the point where I was like, you need to slow down. So I did 4. And then I was doing 4 miles an hour and then 7% on the incline. And then I was like, I want to run though. So I was kind of like, I'm going down to 0 and 7, and I finished out at 7. But I wanted to do a little grocery haul for you. So I love cheese sticks. I eat cheese sticks every day. And these ones are 50 calories. And if you do Weight Watchers, they're 1 point each. I don't know. I know that sometimes cheese sticks, if they're 1 point each, you have 2 of them. And then they're 3 points because Weight Watcher math makes sense. But I haven't, these ones are new to me, so I'll have to let you guys know. I got a bag of Red Delicious apples because I was in a hurry and just grabbed them. Because I normally like Fuji, but whatever. I got a Diet A&W root beer. I love to have that around as, like, I'm craving something sweet, I'll have a Diet root beer. It just like fixes that craving. I got some teriyaki beef jerky. This is like 1 point for the entire bag, full of protein. I got 2 1 bars. I got cookie dough and peanut butter pie. These are for today and tomorrow at work. They're both going to be pretty busy days. Both are 8-hour days at the salon, so I'm going to have something kind of quick to eat. And then I got some grapes because They're like a little treat for me. You really like learn to appreciate sweet things when you don't have as much sugar anymore. I also got a ton of eggs. This is 1,500 eggs. I eat at least 3 eggs every day. It's just like I have to have eggs. So that is my grocery haul for you guys. I am gonna put this all away. I look like a homeless person. But when I was at Target, they had these weighted blankets for sale for $30. These are heavy. They're filled with sand. They're heavy. And I've lost 24 pounds so far. So it's just crazy to me that I've lost 2 of those blankets worth of weight. Hey guys, good morning. I'm wearing my old glasses today because there's a pile of pillows in the way to get my real glasses. And I didn't want to fight that or crawl over the bed. So I grabbed my old ones because they were closer. But it's Saturday today. And let's see, what do I have going on today? I have work from 11 to 7. I'm making some eggs. And then in the Instapot, I got some egg whites going too. I'm probably gonna steam some broccoli before I go to work too, just to have either at work or after work or something. But today's a rest day, which honestly is really needed. My legs hurt. Yesterday I brought Tylenol to work, and I'm probably gonna take some as soon as I get there. My shoulders are sore too, actually. Even just holding up the camera, I was like, oh, this is heavy. Good morning. It's Sunday. Sorry I didn't film anything after work yesterday. I was done. I had done 21 haircuts yesterday. I got several difficult customers, and I was done. I'm like, no more. So, sorry. But I'm here now, and I'm gonna take you around with me today, and then I think we're ending this vlog today. Do you guys remember about 6 or 7 months ago I did my Wellness Wednesday series, which was a complete flop? But anyways, I would go, we're going to the gym, we're gonna go work out. Well, that's stuck in my head right now. I had to park really far away from my building last night because there was nowhere to park. And there is frost all over my windshield. Oh, I'm gonna be late. Hey guys, I just got done at the gym, and you're sitting on my dashboard right now, so sorry if you see. Let me see if I can move it over a little. I worked out really hard today. I kind of took it a little bit easier on myself just because my legs are so sore from getting used to running every day that I didn't want to hurt myself. So I did run a little bit slower than I normally do, but I made sure that I worked up a sweat. I made sure I didn't get my 12 splat points today, but that's okay. I'm kind of thinking like today's a green day anyway, which I'm okay with because green's fat burning zone, and I know in my heart that I had a really good workout. I lifted heavier weights. This guy is, I hate it when people cut in front of me and then drive slow. It's like, why did you just do that? Anyways, I lifted weights that I know were a little bit heavier than I usually do. So I'm very confident and feel good about my workout. My body feels tired. So, and part of that's because I did not sleep so well last night. I woke up at 4 o'clock. So they made it a 3 group because it was so crowded. And I like it better as a 3 group because I feel like I get more time doing cardio, which is really what my body needs right now, than time on the weight floor. I mean, weight floor is great for my body. I definitely need it, but for my current goals, cardio is better for me personally than lifting weights. Okay guys, it is, it's 12:34. I love that. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's like my favorite time of the day besides 11:11. Anyways, it's a little afternoon and I'm showered. I'm clean. I've got my hair done. I ran out of my favorite texture spray and I'm really, like, I can't talk about it because I'm just kidding. I'm a little upset about it, but I found a substitute that will last me until I can go pick up some more. But I don't have plans for today. So, I need to figure something out. I've decided I'm going to put this vlog up first. And then I'm going to put up a video of me trying on every single pair of pants that I own. To figure out something to do, I'm going to do that now. And I'll take you guys with me. But I'm wearing my Harvard shirt. This shirt's actually pretty old. And it hasn't fit in a while. And I'm excited because I can raise my arms and my stomach doesn't stick out. So, non-scale victory right there for ya. Hey guys, so I decided I'm going to go to Walmart. There's a couple things I need to pick up. I like to get my protein shakes there. They have the Equate brand. It's the same nutritionally as the Premier Protein, but about $10 cheaper. So I'm gonna get some of that, and then I want to look and see about getting a yoga mat. I looked at Target last time I was there, and they had some really nice ones, but they were a lot more expensive than I wanted to pay. And I know you get what you pay for, but I'm a beginner, so cheap's fine. We'll see what they have. I'm trying to open this. This is the mat that I got, but I'm not sure. See, the handle covers the cardboard, so you can't slide it off. There's not like a corner. Is this it? Oh, here we go. You can ask any of my friends. I am not the brightest bulb in the box, but somehow I get by. I am going to go relax. Thank you for keeping up with me and watching my journey. I'm learning so much, and it's exciting to see my body change and feel stronger and learn more about myself and conquer something I didn't think was possible. So I'm excited. I'm really excited to see my mom's face. I have another video coming out probably sometime this week. I'm gonna try and get it edited tomorrow along with this one, and then I'll put this one up tomorrow, and then the next one up like Wednesday or Thursday or something. I'll just schedule it to go up. Anyways, I love you guys. Have a great night. And if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so that way you can be notified when I'm uploading. And if you haven't, make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm very active on my Instagram, especially the stories. It's fun. So I love you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Alright, bye.